Imhotep. My name is Darius and this is the world that was. Today, I'll be making a simple Egyptian dish that possibly dates back to the pre-dynastic period, aka the Bronze Age of Egypt. It's a very simple herb and egg omelette that's still eaten today, known in modern Egyptian Arabic as eggah. In any case, let's now take a look at the world that was. To begin with, we need to chop a single onion in half and peel off its outer skin. Then slice and dice the onion into small pieces, making sure they're all about the same size. Pour some olive oil into a pot and place this over medium-high heat. When the oil's shimmering, go toss your onions into it and let it saute away while you go mince your parsley, or coriander if you don't like the taste of soap. When your onion is soft and translucent and fragrant, go toss in your parsley. Let everything saute away again for another few minutes, or until the parsley wilts slightly. Leave this mixture aside to cool a bit while you go deal with your eggs. Crack 6 eggs into a bowl while your onions are cooling. In antiquity, Egyptians would have had access to wildfowl and dove eggs, which you could obviously easily substitute here, but chicken eggs work just as well. In any case, toss in a tablespoon or two of ground cumin and ground coriander, and on top of this, add a tablespoon's worth of flour to help thicken things up. Whisk everything together so it's well combined. When the onion and parsley mix is cool, toss this into your egg mixture and whisk this to combine as well. Pour a bit of olive oil into a baking tin and spread it around. Next, pour in your egg mixture. It should settle in evenly. Place this tin into the center of an oven preheated to about 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit and let it cook away for about 25 to 30 minutes, depending on your oven. It should be done when the top is puffed up slightly and turned a lovely golden brown color. Take the dish out of the oven and let it cool for a few minutes. The top of this will collapse and deflate, but don't worry, this is what's meant to happen. Cut this into slices and serve up warm. The finished dish is very light and fluffy, with a very slight sweetness thanks to the onions. Modern eggah has tomatoes and peppers included in the recipe, but none of these would have been available until the Columbian exchange of the 15th century onwards. However, early Arabic records from the 9th and 10th centuries AD record the dining habits of pre-Islamic Egyptian populations, and often reference a dish of baked eggs and herbs, which effectively suggests a pre-existing dish like this that was eventually adapted into the eggah we know and love today. This very simple recipe was likely eaten by the poorer members of the population of Egypt, given how few ingredients are actually needed to make this, the most basic form of this being eggs and onions. This would have provided a very large amount of calories and would have been very filling in relation to its size. In any case, I hope you all enjoyed this quick look at the world that was. If you liked what you saw, please consider leaving a like on this video, or possibly even subscribing to my channel for some more ancient recipes.